Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are okay. Okay, today in this class we are going to make a paper clock like this, and we are going to learn how to tell the time in English. The material we are going to need are those. You can use, well, this is a little bit small, but you can use a paper plate or plastic, or like in my case, you can use a paper board like this. We will need some scratch of color papers, scissors, glue, and a marker to write the numbers. Okay, now we are going to make the hands of the clock, and we can use our color paper. We are going to do first the shorter, like this. And for this, we are going to have one piece of paper, fold it in half, and now I'm going to cut like a long rectangle, like this. I'm going to change my scissors. Then we cut a little line here, and then continue with a triangle. Now we have our first hand. I'm going to cut a little bit right here to make it shorter, like this. And then in the same half, in this part at the bottom, I'm going to make a tiny triangle. You can see it, to make a hole. Okay, we have already done this, and now we are going to do the larger. We are going to do the same method. We fold it, and pay attention that you are doing in this part. Make a cut, a little longer, because this is for the minutes. A line, and then a triangle. And we have now a longer hand. And we are going to do the same. We are going to make here, I'm going to cut it a little bit, like this. Now I'm going to cut a little triangle like this. Okay, now just make sure that one is shorter than the other, and also we can use this one. In the little one, we can write with your marker the word hour, because this is going to use where it indicates hour, and here we are going to write the word minutes to indicate that this is going to mark minutes. Okay, now we have already had this, and the next step is to mark a dot here in the center of the clock. And be careful with this step, because we are going to make a little hole like this. And now I'm going to use a pin. Okay, once we have already done the hole in the center of the clock, we are going to use a brad. This is a brad. We can spread this, or a pinwheel, but we need something to cover it. So in this case, I prefer to use this one. And now we are going to collocate our hands like this. We have already done these holes, so we are going to put them in the center and put our brad inside and close it behind it. And now we have already done our clock, but we now to do our final step. Remember that we do these cuts. Now here we are going to write with our marker the minutes. So here in number 1 we are going to write the colon and 5. In this one we are going to write the colon and write number 10. Here number 15. For number 4 we're going to write number 20. For number 5 we're going to write number 25. Here number 6 we write number 30, and here in the top we are going to write the word half, because we can say, for example, that this is 10 half, or we can say 10 30. Here we're going to write the colon and number 35. Here the colon number 40. For 9, the colon number 45. For 10, number 50. And for 11, number 55. And finally, for 12, we write 0, and here we write the word o'clock. Remember that when it marks 1 hour, we say, for example, 9 o'clock or 9 half or 9:30. We can practice here 11, 11:10, 11:20. So I hope you have fun with your paper clock, and I hope you can practice how to tell the time at home. See you guys for more videos. Bye bye.